Guys, and what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today I obviously want to talk to you about some of the equipment that I use at my favorite at the gym and my favorite things to use. So as you guys know, I'm obviously been going to the gym relentlessly, in my athleisure wear by Retro Sharks, obviously. Um, for those that don't know, Retro Sharks is an athleisure wear brand that sculpts and contours your body. They are currently selling a collection of yogis that can obviously be worn to the gym, Pilates, yoga, or just essentially running errands. If you are a person that does not really have a bum, as in your bum is kind of long, it's kind of broad, or doesn't necessarily have no shape, then purchase a pair of these because they come in different sizes and colors. Summer is obviously just around the corner. Also, before I forget, if you are a business or a solopreneur watching this video, then click the link in the description. If you are looking for a freelancer to kind of build you out a website or marketing, etc., all right, then click the link in the description below. To register for Fiverr.com. Obviously, they've got an array of freelancers on that platform. Now, I'm really in this space, right, that health is indeed wealth. Not just on a physical level, but also on like on a mental level as well. With that being said, today I wanted to take the opportunity to kind of showcase some of the equipment that I obviously use at the gym. So the first equipment that I like to use whilst being at the gym is obviously known as the low pull. For those that don't know, the low pull is essentially an equipment found at the gym that works the upper body area and the back. Now, I tried this and it seemed like a walk well, when I tried this, I thought it was going to be like a walk in the park. This is my problem. With most exercises, I automatically assume it's going to be a walk in the park. However, you don't actually feel the impact until the following day. Like I done with Pilates. You see, the low pull is designed to build your strength and muscle in your back, right? It's a great option for like individuals who are new to working out and can't really do push-ups. So in the equipment, you've got to be like this, pulling the strings towards you. This is obviously indeed the next best thing to obviously push-ups. So what you need to do is obviously sit down on the bench or the chair, then pull the rope towards your chest, using your back to do the work in this kind of motion. Now, it is a great to obviously build muscle and strength in your back without putting a lot of strain in it. It's kind of low impact exercise, so it can be done with all fitness levels. Now, the benefits of the low pull, right, are the following. It kind of builds strength and muscle in your back. It's low impact, so it's easy on your joints. It can be used by people of all fitness kind of levels. What else is there? I would obviously suggest that when you are using this equipment, start with a light resistance, then gradually increase your weight as you become more stronger. I always start with the least kind of resistance and then obviously work my way up. But every time I go on this particular apparatus, please tell me why people leave you on the heavier weights without considering the next person that's obviously going to use it. Like, please stop that. It's annoying. Anyway, what you obviously need to do is make sure your back is straight at all times and make sure your core is obviously fully engaged. So I tend to tense my stomach in with each pull. Most importantly, listen to your body and take a break if you feel pain. You don't want to kind of end up injuring yourself now. But it is a great way to improve your back strength. Now, the next piece of equipment that I use is known as Concept 2. Now, this is a dynamic rower, and essentially like most of these equipment at the gym, they seem so easy to use, but you feel you feel the impact with this one straight off the bat. So I will show you the video. It looks simple, but there's a lot of resistance on your body after obviously a couple of pulls. I think it's a great option for people of all fitness levels and enthusiasts. Now, the benefits of this is a full body workout that works all your major muscle groups. It also improves your cardiovascular health, strength, power, and endurance. It is really good if you add additional equipment to this, so like dumbbells. So basically, this equipment could be like some sort of interval training, perhaps. I think this is a machine that you can actually use in your home as well. I think you can actually buy one of these pieces of equipment and actually use it in your house. It's a large display that shows there's a large display on it that shows your workout stats, including time, distance, and calories burned. So the next piece of equipment that I really love to use is the row and lat pull down modules. Now, the piece of equipment features 2 pulleys that enables users to perform different types of exercise, attaching the 2 cables to one bar, obviously thanks to the 2-in-1 connector accessory, keeping the 2 cables separate for a more challenging workout. It works multiple muscle groups. You can use it to build strength, size, and definition in your back, biceps, and other muscles. It really does work your back muscle and targets your latissimus. And rhomboids. It helps improve your posture and balance. As you saw me in the video, I was trying to obviously gain balance before pulling down on the equipment. It also improves your grip strength. It's so easy to use and can be adjusted to obviously fit your individual needs. It builds strength, size, and definition in your back, biceps, and other muscles. Whilst using this machine, it is important to use good form, keep your back straight throughout. adjust to a weight that is challenging the body and not too heavy. So here is a quick rundown of the benefits of this particular equipment. It builds strength. It builds strength and muscle, improves your posture, it reduces your risk of injury by strengthening your back muscles. It improves your cardiovascular and health. It burns calories. It reduces stress. It increases self-confidence. As you know, it gets your kind of adrenaline pumping and endorphins kind of going. That obviously putting you in a good mood. So I got 2 more exercises that I want to talk to you about, which is the boxing station. It's amazing. It's my favorite thing. It's all of these things are my favorite. It's amazing. It's great cardio. Take a look. Anyway, on to the next time. Peace out.